Do you have someone at home that makes you laugh? Maybe a mommy, maybe a daddy, maybe someone else. I have a story for you called My Mom and Dad Make Me Laugh, and it's by Nick Sherritt. My mom and dad make me laugh. One likes spots and the other likes stripes. My mom likes spots in winter and spots in summer. My dad likes stripes on weekdays and stripes at weekends. Last weekend, we went to the safari park. My mom put on her spottiest dress and earrings, and my dad put on his stripiest suit and tie. I put on my gray top and trousers. You do like funny clothes, said my mom and dad. We set off in the car, and on the way, we stopped for something to eat. My mom had a spotty pizza, and my dad had a stripy ice cream. I had a bun. You do like funny food, said my mom and dad. When we got to the safari park, it was very exciting. My mom liked the big cats best. Those are splendid spots, she said, and I should know. My dad liked the zebras best. Why do you think? Because they have stripes. Those are super stripes, he said, and I should know. But the animals I liked best didn't have spots and didn't have stripes. They were big and gray and eating their tea. These are really good elephants, I said. And I should know. Look at his whole room. His whole room is filled with elephants. So maybe some people would think that he's a little boring because he just likes one plain color, whereas mommy and daddy like spots and stripes. But that's okay, right? There's nothing wrong with that. And that's the end of this story called My Mom and Dad Make Me Laugh. And like I always say, good night, because it's bedtime.